To photograph high-speed motion, you need a very fast camera. But to photograph what's going on inside an atom, you need something much faster. Electrons inside an atom move so fast we need extremely short pulses of light to capture their movements. The 2023 Nobel Prize in Physics awards experiments that help us do this by creating flashes of laser light that are so short that they are measured in attoseconds. And to give you an idea of how quick that is, an attosecond is to 1 second as 1 second is to the age of the universe. And thanks to these super short flashes of laser light, we have new ways to study electrons' extremely rapid movements. We can now explore the world inside atoms and molecules, and use them in areas from electronics to medicine.